This is iNews. It's Friday, April 5th, and also read a road map day. I am Conor.
I'm Phuc, and here are your voting announcements. The sheriff will be housed in the grid-free area to our upper primary assembly. Researchers in each room and the time wall teaching others about their research topics.
The PTO used books fair is coming up in a few weeks. Book donations have begun. Grade 1B continues to lead with 205 books.
Talent show auditions have begun. The schedule is posted outside the office. Please send student with question to Miss Nancy at 322.
Market at the square will be taking place today in the Parent Live at 2:34 p.m.
Makerspace is opening to grades 1, 2, and 3 students today during morning recess.
Joke of the day. Why do flamingos stand on one leg?
Why?
If they lift the other leg, they fall over.
Fact of the day, there are 180,000 islands in Finland. That's one for about every 30 people in the country.
Mindfulness quote of the day. You may be disappointed if you fail, but you are doomed if you don't try. Beverly Hills.
That's for today's morning announcement. Have a fantastic Friday.